In this question, the so-called decimal with only a finite number of non-zero digits could be called a terminating decimal, since the number of significant digits terminates at a point. One way that p over q could give a so-called terminating decimal is if it yields an integer. Otherwise, if it yields a fraction such as 1/4 or 1/5, then it does terminate. It gives 0.25, 0.20, and it stops. But if it yields, say, 1/3, it doesn't terminate, as 1/3 is 0.3 repeating. This could get complicated, but we will use analysis by cases and remain organized, evaluating the statements separately first. Statement 1 tells us that q is a factor of 12. That means it could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, or 12. It narrows the field substantially, but we know nothing about p. We could allowably choose p and q to give us 1/2 or 1/3 in two separate cases. As we've already seen, those cases yield different answers to the question, so we do not have sufficient information to answer the question definitively. Statement 1 is insufficient. Statement 2 allows us to choose the same two cases we were just looking at, so statement 2 is also insufficient. Combining the statements, we can still choose the same two cases we were just looking at. Therefore, we still have insufficient information. The correct answer is E.